Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD into the device. So before we get started, we will need a SIM ejector. Now this comes provided with the device in the box, or you can always use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends. From here, pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, and in here you will have space for one SIM card and one SD card, or you can also place two different SIM cards, so you occupy the SD tray instead of all the SD card, you can place the SIM. But I'm going to be using both of them, so let's just place it on the actually dedicated slot for it. There we go. As you can see, like so. Make sure that it's laying flush on the tray, and from there, while holding it securely, because there is nothing really holding it, I'm going to slide it back into the device. And we should get a pin for the SIM card. Oh, there we go. So let's confirm it, and SIM card is working, and SD card is working as well. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.